Hi everyone, I am Geeta Devi. I have chosen this course at NIECCE was one of the best decisions I have made for my professional career and development. I have experience in this field since 4 or 5 years. To improve my knowledge and skills, I have joined this course so that I can learn and improve myself in a better way. I am very glad and thankful to NIECCE for giving me this opportunity to learn and experience my own skills and talent. I have learned a lot from all the teachers. Instructors here are very knowledgeable and supportive. I am very glad and thankful to all the members of NIECCE for giving me this opportunity to improve myself and be a better teacher. Thank you so much.